Hello there, and welcome to Homestead Health Science Experiments. I'm Olivia, and today we will be testing acid and base reactions. So, and we will be testing that by making a bubble tower, and that is sort of like a lava lamp, which are really cool. So, what you'll need is red cabbage, a measuring cup, a bowl, a spoon, some baking soda, and we'll also be needing some white vinegar and some cooking oil and a vase. It can be any kind of vase. A vase that you could use for flowers, but make sure you ask your parents before you use a vase. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some hot water in this bowl. Now for all you kids out there watching, always have an adult help you by pouring, especially littler kids, and making sure you don't burn yourself. So you can see that steam coming off of it. It's like making Jell-O, only much more fun. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shred this purple cabbage. And then we'll wait for about 10 minutes for it to turn dark purple. Okay, so while we wait for 10 minutes until the water gets purple, let's test some pH. Okay, so while we wait, we are going to use some pure butterfly pea flower tea, which is also known as blue tea, and it's the national drink of Thailand. Let's see what they drink. Put the tea bag in here. So we'll spoon to kind of dab it in there. Look at that! It's turning blue! That's amazing! I'm gonna add lemon, which is an acid, and let's see how it turns. I'll use a little bit. It's turning purple! Wow, look at that! It's real dark purple. Ooh. That's a purplish pinkish. Look at how amazing that is, from blue to purple. Now, what will happen if we add more? Turns more pinkish. Okay, so we have tried that, and oh man, that is so lemony. I mean, woohoo! I don't know how they drink it, but they manage. So, this is all we're gonna do, but the more acids of the lemon juice we pour in, the more pink it'll turn. So, blue turns into purple, add more lemon, add more acids, which turns it into pink. So you can try that at home. Okay, so now we have some pH strips, and now we're gonna dip it in here. Oh wow. So on our chart, here, so let's see. Let's match it up. Just kind of put the two out. No. That looks like it is a 5. Now, it looks like it's a 5. And that means that it's super acidic. Let's test some other things. My trusty assistant Daisy has come to help. Okay, so what we're going to test is we're going to test my saliva. So, first thing I'm going to do is just put it in my mouth, nothing in it. So that is that color, 7.0, which that's good. Now I'm gonna test it with some fresh Italian lime juice. All right. So that has changed from a 7.0 to a 4.5. So now we are going to test some with white vinegar. Okay, so it is 5.0, which that is the most acidic it can get. So that means that this is very acidic. Now let's try some regular dish soap. So you might not be able to see it in the camera, but that is green. It looks like it's 6.5. So that is a little less than our saliva. So now let's test our cabbage. Okay, that is 6.5 again. So same thing as the dish soap. Okay, so now we're gonna pour the cabbage into the sieve, and we want the cabbage to go in the sieve and the water to go inside the bowl. Looks sort of like our tea, right? Okay. So now we're just gonna take the sieve and pour all that back in here. That'll be used for dinner. Okay, so now we're gonna pour this into a quarter in a cup. That's 1/4. Tiny, right? I know. All right, so the purple cabbage water is our pH indicator. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to add in 2 fluid ounces of white vinegar. So now we're gonna spoon in baking soda, enough to cover the bottom. Let's just pour it. Should be good. Let's just kind of mix around. Now we're going to pour oil into the baking soda to about here. That should be good. This is our acid vinegar water, which also has the cabbage juice. Wow, look at that. All coming up. That is so cool. Look at the bubbles. It's basically making carbonation like in soda. This is what it looks like at the done. And now, hit that subscription button and tap that notification bell, and you will be notified whenever we post. Make sure to subscribe and have an awesome sciencey day. Bye!